With shares rising in pre-market trade, up roughly 0.7%, Tesla is a top trending ticker on Yahoo Finance this morning. Its fourth quarter delivery statistics exceeded forecasts, which led to the increase. We now have Pras Subramanian at the table. Pras, there were a lot of doubts about whether Tesla would meet both its annual and fourth quarter targets, but it appears that this was sufficient to get them there. It's just almost here, you know. Just now, the numbers crossed. Delivery-wise, 484,000 during the quarter, exceeding Bloomberg's estimated 483,000. Production-wise, there was a significant improvement with 494,000 automobiles, or about 495,000 vehicles, as opposed to 482,000. Throughout the quarter, they produced a large number of Model 3s and Model Ys. You can't tell exactly where they were built because they don't break out geographical output, but Fremont and other companies in China and the US undoubtedly produced more of them. To put this in perspective, 1.81 million cars were made worldwide throughout the year. Although it is slightly below the 50% compound annual growth rate that we anticipated they would not achieve because of manufacturing shutdowns and modifications, that is 38% greater than it was a year ago. In reality, no one is producing EVs like they are. Join us as we explore the enigmas surrounding Tesla's recent global performance, from the busy streets of China, where the company's numbers tell a story of success and challenge, to the mysterious hallways of Wall Street, where analysts' rumors and forecasts spark a flurry of conjecture. Will the Model 3 take center stage, or will the Model Y continue to enthrall the market? What secrets about Tesla's future do the most recent analyst insights hold? Put on your seatbelts and get ready for an exciting journey into the center of Tesla's universe, where every turn reveals something unexpected and every realization opens up countless opportunities. However, before you do anything else, remember to click the like and subscribe buttons. Here at Tesla Stock News, innovation and curiosity collide. Let's begin our thrilling examination of Tesla's dynamic history. For both Tesla and the stock market as a whole, this week has been productive. The stock market has already responded favorably to predictions of 3 rate cuts in 2024 and the perception that interest rates have peaked. In this section, we examined several fascinating European and Chinese people as well as some issues. We'll talk about the insights from 2 analyst notes that we received this week. Our attention also shifts to the Optimus version 2, which is a fascinating advancement to watch starting in 2024. According to the most recent data, there are already 15,400 Teslas insured in China. With a 34% year-over-year increase and a 7% increase from the prior quarter, this number shows a noteworthy development trajectory for Tesla in the Chinese market. These figures are especially significant in light of China's fiercely competitive and quickly changing automobile industry, particularly in the electric vehicle space. It's crucial to observe a minor decline from the figures from the prior week, though. Tesla is still on track to set a new sales record in China this quarter, even with this little decline. Despite weekly changes, the steady growth highlights the high demand for Tesla's cars in the Chinese market. A closer examination of the data shows that a decline in Model Y deliveries is the main cause of the weekly figures decline. Customers have been choosing Tesla's Model Y, a small electric SUV, but these kinds of swings are typical in the car business and can be caused by a number of variables, including supply chain dynamics, market demand, and production modifications. However, sales of Tesla's more reasonably priced sedan, the Model 3, have remained consistent. The Model 3's steady performance suggests its dominant market position and ongoing consumer attractiveness. Since the Model 3 is frequently regarded as a gateway for customers to learn more about the Tesla brand and electric cars in general, this stability is essential for Tesla. An encouraging sign of Tesla's growing presence in one of the biggest EV marketplaces in the world is the general increase in the company's insured numbers in China. Tesla's initiatives to boost manufacturing capacity, improve its supply chain, and adjust to local market preferences all help this expansion. Furthermore, Tesla's expansion in China is noteworthy for both the company's worldwide sales numbers and the growing acceptability and appeal of EVs in China. The Chinese government's promotion of more environmentally friendly modes of transportation, including subsidies and infrastructure support for EVs, is driving this development. With a say. With noteworthy results from Iceland, Norway, Ireland, and Denmark, the data also provides insight into Tesla's market share in other European nations. But there is a problem in Germany, which is Jaeger Berlin's home and a vital market for Tesla. Despite rises in other nations, Germany's sales results for the year have not been as robust as anticipated. Potential rate reductions in the US and even Europe could lead to a rise in demand for solar panels and automobiles. Let's go directly to the solar energy industry, where businesses like SolarEdge and Enphase Energy are causing a stir. Surprisingly, the price of Enphase Energy's shares has increased dramatically, rising from about $77 to $80 to almost $120. The stock market's tendency to look ahead and anticipate future rate reduction is reflected in this spike. Ronald raised Tesla's price objective from $125 to $130 while keeping a cautious view of the company, bringing us back to the analyst landscape. This choice is a thoughtful assessment of Tesla's potential market performance. It's critical to take into account Ronald's reputation and analytical background in order to comprehend the significance of this update. TypeRanks, a website that rates financial analysts according to their performance, has him ranked 6,597 out of 8,636 Wall Street experts. Ronald's average return of 7.2% per stock rating is a good amount in the complicated and uncertain world of stock market predictions, even though he is not one of the top-ranked analysts. This average return, which provides context for assessing his Tesla research, is a cumulative indicator of the precision and profitability of his prior stock recommendations. Despite the price target hike, Ronald's cautious approach shows that he believes in Tesla's future potential, while also being cognizant of the difficulties and unknowns the business faces. This might be the result of a number of variables impacting Tesla's operations, such as competition in the market, developments in technology, modifications to regulations, and worldwide economic circumstances. Diverse forecasts and opinions are typical in the field of investment analysis, which reflects the various approaches, viewpoints, and data sources that analysts employ. Ronald's perspective is therefore only one of many held by the financial community. A variety of analysis and viewpoints, including Ronald's, would be advantageous for investors seeking a thorough grasp of Tesla's stock prospects. It would be helpful to pause the video and go over Ronald's entire evaluation for those viewers who want to get deeper into the details of his analysis. In-depth explanations of the price target modification, information about Tesla's business operations, market position, and possible dangers and opportunities that could affect the company's stock value are probably all included in his comprehensive research. Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley, meantime, has been sharing his thoughts on Tesla in large quantities lately. Comparing Tesla to the Cambrian explosion of biological diversity more than 500 million years ago, he contends that the company is at the vanguard of a technological revolution. He focuses on Tesla's robotics and artificial intelligence developments, especially the Optimus V2 robot. This leads us to Tesla's Optimus V2's astounding advancement. The speed of development from the first presentation to the most recent version is astounding. It is particularly remarkable how advanced the robot's hands and fingers are. Even though Elon Musk frequently makes optimistic predictions, there are a lot of possible uses for such a robot. Consider a robot that is capable of both complicated and routine activities, such as folding clothes. However, the Optimus robot's usefulness is what really changes the game. Tesla may face overwhelming demand from a variety of businesses if it can prove its usefulness in practical situations. This leads us to a crucial query. What effects will this technological development have on social institutions and employment? In this setting, discussions about universal basic income and the nature of labor in the future become more pertinent.